Aloha, Allie Norm here. Gonna cut open a jackfruit. Pretty good size and it's pretty ripe. So let's see what happens here. These usually are pretty sticky. They've got a latex inside of them that makes it sort of real sticky. Oh. So that's the inside, and you got to core it.
Start it again.
Got to core this out. This is only the second one I've ever done, so if you guys know more about it than I do, just keep your mouth shut. Not nearly as sticky as I remember the first one. So basically, each one of these pods is a fruit. So that's one fruit with a seed inside. The seeds. And all this outer stuff is not edible really. You want to go for the pod. And as you can tell, there's a whole lot in here. And they can be sticky. And I'm thinking that someone told me that juicy fruit gum is the idea behind this. And it's probably going to take a few minutes to do.